many dicks on the dance floor. Too many dicks on the dance floor.
Too many dicks.
Too many dicks on the dance floor.
Too many dicks.
Too many dicks on the dance floor.
Too many dicks.
Going to the party, sipping on Bacardi. Wanna meet a hottie, but there's Adam, Steve, and Marty. There's Billy, Todd, and Tommy. They're Randy from the army. The only boobs I see tonight will be made of origami.
Tell the fellas, make it understood. It ain't no good if there's too much wood. Make sure you know before you go. The dance floor roho ratio 5 to 1, it's a rodeo. Tell Steve and Mike it's time to go. Wait outside all night to find 20 dudes in a conga line.
Too many dicks on the dance floor.
Easy to fix.
Too many dicks on the dance floor.
Spread out the dicks.
Too many dudes with too many dicks. Too close to my shit, too hard to meet chicks. I need better odds, more broads, less rods. I came to do battle, skedaddle with the counter rods.
Too many men, too many boys, too many misters, not enough sisters. Too much time on too many hands, not enough ladies, too many mans. Too many dicks, too many dongs, too many schlongs, now sing this song.